Okay, so I have a situation for you guys. Let's say that Chris is the owner of a restaurant. Chris, what's your favorite restaurant?
Probably Chipotle.
Okay, Chris likes Chipotle. Do we all like Chipotle? Yeah. Okay. Chris has a problem though because lately not that many people have been coming to his restaurant and they're losing a lot of money. Okay? Luckily, Michael works with Chris. And Michael comes up to Chris and he says, Chris, lately, ever since you changed the music a couple weeks ago, we've been losing a lot of business. Okay? So Michael has a theory that the type of music that they play in the restaurant affects how many people come to the restaurant. Okay, so Chris designed an experiment to see if he could determine a relationship between these two variables. Does anybody know what a variable is? Brian?
Is it a letter in math?
Yeah, oftentimes it is a letter in math, like y equals x plus 7 or something. In an experiment, it's a little different. A variable is anything that can change within the experiment. Okay, so in our situation here, the two variables are, one is the type of music, and the second variable would be the amount of customers. Amount of customers. Okay. Now there's two variables in this experiment, and we have two types of variables. First type of variable we have is an independent variable. This is the variable that you decide to change. You're in control of this variable. You set it out from the beginning of the experiment. And then you observe the effects that the independent variable has on the dependent variable. The dependent variable is what you measure. It's what changes in an experiment due to a change in the independent variable. Okay, so Chris says, let's choose a type of music. What's your favorite type of music?
Probably rap.
Okay, Chris likes rap music. So we choose rap music and we wait a week and we see how many customers came to Chipotle, and it's 500 customers. Okay? So pretty good. But Chris thinks they can do better. He thinks a different type of music will lead to more customers coming. So, Michael, what's your favorite type of music?
Folk.
He likes folk music, okay? And so you play folk music for the next week, and sorry, but other people didn't like it apparently, and only 200 people came to the restaurant that week. Okay, so already we're beginning to see a relationship between the independent variable, the type of music, and the dependent variable, the amount of customers that come to your store. We see the rap music, there's 500 customers, and then when we play folk music, it's only 200 customers. Okay, so let's see if we can beat it, make more money. Brian, what's your favorite type of music?
Anything with bagpipes.
Okay, Brian likes music with bagpipes. Okay, so we're going to write bagpipes. Okay, and what do you know? People love music with bagpipes. 800 people come to Chipotle and eat their burritos listening to bagpipes music. Okay, that's awesome. So again, this relationship is continued. As the type of music changes, the amount of customers changes also. Okay, so let's review. The independent variable, it's what you decide to change. What was the independent variable in this experiment?
Type of music.
Type of music, right. And the dependent variable, which was what is the amount of customers, right? And why? Someone tell me why.
Because that's what was changing due to the change of the independent variable.
Exactly, yeah. As the type of music changed, the amount of customers changed with it. So what did you guys learn today?
That rap music, folk music is like the worst type of music.
Yeah, exactly. If you own Chipotle, don't play folk music. And also, of course, we learned the difference between independent and dependent variables. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys a chant to help you remember the difference between the independent variable and the dependent variable. So just repeat after me, show a lot of energy, okay? All right. I believe.
I believe.
I believe I'm in control.
I believe I'm in control. I believe I'm in control. I believe I'm in control.
Okay, good job, great. I love the energy. Awesome. Okay, now for the dependent variable. Okay, same thing. Depend. Depend is what you measure.
Depend is what you measure. Depend is what you measure. Depend is what you measure.
Awesome.